Hey, this is Dave Coons with SpiritTreeFarms and naturesguide.com, and I'm collecting wildflower seeds. I'm part of a Facebook group, and I learned some interesting things yesterday. It's the end of December. I was out collecting seed heads, and this table kind of represents a collection of lessons learned that I thought I'd share with you. First of all, you can see that the tablecloth is pulled back so that the actual wood table, as scruffed up as it is here. The reason is when I started to get the seeds out and some of them fell on the cloth, it was very difficult to actually get the seeds. Another thing that I learned is these are Crownbeard. Started collecting the seeds and I put them in this cloth sack. In the future, I'll probably use a smoother surface because the seeds actually get caught. I was out collecting several different types of seeds, and you don't want to do that because this is goldenrod seed heads. But as you can see, they kind of get all mixed in. So when I was collecting the seeds, they all got mixed in. I also got some Coralberry, which is this nice red color. When it's all mixed in together, let's say you get a coralberry that falls off like that and it's in the bottom. So I guess what I'm suggesting is when you collect seeds, have different bags for the different seed heads. The other thing that was interesting was this is the seed head from I don't remember the Latin name for it, but it's a crownbeard. And I was very frustrated because when I was out in the field, I would take the seed head and go like this, and several of the seeds would fall out. So I came back in here and I was doing this, and as you can maybe see, there's like 3 seeds there, and doing that is just going to take forever. And then I have these envelopes where I put these in, and as you can see, that's a lot more than just, those many seeds would have taken me forever going like this. What I discovered, neat trick, and this is based on my wife Marnie's suggestion, is I got these Crownbeard seed heads in there, put them in the bag, kind of crunched them up, shook them up a little bit, get back in there, and when I get down to the bottom of the bag, I can scrape this, and that's probably 50 seeds right in there. Now you can see as the example, this is a coralberry seed, which is again why you don't want to put all of those into the same bag. So I'll move that out of there. But they're just shaking it and getting some really nice seeds in there, and there's a little bit of, the seed heads kind of broke apart, and there's a little bit of stems and stuff like that. But quite frankly, when you're harvesting and when you're planting wildflower seeds, you don't care about that. You just throw everything kind of in and rake it over. But that's a lot faster than taking each individual seed head, pounding it like this into my cupped hand, and oh look, there's 2 seeds. This way I can literally go down to the bottom of this, scrape it up, literally get hundreds of seeds in kind of the same time. But let's put them into that envelope, and pretty soon I'll be sending some off. So those are my seed gathering tips for today. naturesguide.com and SpiritTreeFarms.com in Catoosa County, Northwest Georgia, USA. Have a great new year, everybody.